Hello guys, this is Francisca and welcome back to my channel Everything Under the Sun. And now as you can see, there's a big box of Amazon, and obviously there are Amazon products. Let's see what all I have ordered. It came like I had ordered 5 products, so it came in a big box. Let's see what all these products are. Let's dig in. Ta-da! Okay, so the first thing is this storage basket. You can store whatever you want, like your cosmetics or whatever your needs are. It comes in set of 3, so all the links to the products I'll be showing it in the description box. So this is the first one. I'll open it properly. Let me see what all I have received. And this is a tray. You won't believe, I took this, I just paid around 75 for this tray, and I'm super happy with the size I have received. I don't know from which brand it is, but it's super sturdy and too good. So this is the second product, and the third is this set of 3 storage basket. I have lot of junk, so I thought I'll store it in these 3 separate storage baskets with lid. So it comes with lid, and these are all, this is again light brown, tan brown, dark brown and grey. So these are the colors I got. I didn't get to choose the colors. So this is the third product. Let me keep it out. And this is something amazing. So I'll just open it for you. It's very difficult to work with one hand, but I'm going to show you. Oh my god, this is amazing. So this is like you need to stick it to the wardrobe or wherever you want, and it also comes with these 2-sided tapes, and this is like laugh, live and laugh. So I'm going to open this. Wow, it's like super matte finishing. It says laugh. It comes with this double-sided tape, so you can stick it wherever you want, and you can stick it, so you can cut it in a small piece and stick it here, so it will be sturdy. So this says laugh, and the other smaller one says laugh, and the other one is live. So they have given enough double-sided tape, so you can stick these, and maybe later I'll show you how to stick these and where I'm going to stick this. Okay, so this was the fourth product. Okay, let me tell you about the size. The size is in medium shape. So this is a medium shape box, not too big. It comes with a lid, as I told you. It comes with a lid like this. You can store whatever junk you have. It will look neat if you store it in such boxes. So it comes in these storage boxes with lid, and the size, let me tell you, as it is seen in the camera, it's not this big. I mean, it's medium. It's in medium shape. You can keep whatever you want, and it looks sturdy. I wanted with a lid so that I don't want to expose the products that are there in the box. Okay, let me tell you the size of the, just one second. So out of 3, I really loved this color. It is like dark brown, and this is grey, and this is like, you can say, tan brown or beige. So the size, if I have to tell you, see, this doesn't fit in this, so you can get to know the size. Obviously these would fit. So it is like this. Oops. so you can close it with the lid. I'm super happy with the boxes and the quality is amazing. It's quite sturdy. So guys, as I was telling, you can store whatever you want. So with this you can make out the size of the storage baskets, and the quality is really amazing. So these all come in same sizes, like the 3 of them are in the same size. So this was the things I ordered. Okay, let me show you these two as well. Okay, so these are the two. This is a tray that you can use, and it came in a very good print. This is the same picture that I saw on Amazon, and you won't believe I just paid $75 for this, and it's quite like you can, a small plate or like maybe 5 glasses can easily fit into this. It's really amazing. I'm super happy with this. Okay, so the MRP here it's saying $225, but I paid just $75. Very happy. And the product and the melamine, so the material is melamine. Okay, so my laugh would not fit in this too. Okay, so in these I'm planning to store multiple things in this. I'm going to be storing my clips that are like in all over the places, and in this I'm going to be storing something like medicines, or I don't know what I'm going to be storing in this. And in this, let me see what I can. You can also use this like a fruit basket, or if you want to gift somebody, you can always do that. And for these I'll be putting the prices in the description box. Please check the description box. And all these products are from Amazon. I'm super happy with the quality of this too. It's quite sturdy. It's not like how it was how I predicted it to be. I thought the quality would be really soft and fragile, but it's not like that. It's quite sturdy. It comes in 3 sizes, as you can see. Small, medium and large. Okay, let me see if my laugh would fit into this. Okay, my laugh is just out of place, a little out of place, but you can see the color here. It is like matte finishing, guys. I think you should go ahead and buy this, and you can stick wherever you want. Look at this. You can stick it on the wall. You can stick wherever you want. I have a small corner in the house. I'm going to be sticking it there, and maybe you can put up fairy lights around this. It will look amazing. Super happy with this. Let me see the other ones. So you can place it however you feel like. I think the ideal will be love, laugh, live, or love, laugh, love, live. Let's see. I think it should be placed like this. I think you don't have to place it in an order. You can place it like this, and then this, and then the other one in the right side of the corner. It will look amazing, guys. Look at the matte finishing it has. Love yourself. Thank you guys for watching my video, and the next video is going to be on beauty, so do check out that. And let me clear up the mess. Okay, so I haven't shown you this double-sided tape, and I would be using a little lesser of this, so the other I can use it for something else. So thank you guys for watching my video, and please come back as I have a lot of interesting videos for you all. Thank you for watching my video. Ta-da, bye.